There are 4 different ways to open a ticket in Owlytica. Customers can open a ticket through the customer portal, or customers can email a ticket to a predefined email address. Customers can also make a phone call, and you can open a ticket manually on behalf of a customer in the team portal. There is also an API by which you can connect an existing ticketing system to Owlytica. First, we'll walk through how to create a support ticket from the customer portal. Customers can easily create a support ticket for assets that are part of an active contract. This would mean that the customer has signed the contract and that the current date is within the contract window. To create a support ticket from the customer portal, you're first going to want to log into the portal, then select Assets in the left navigation. From the Assets list, click the checkbox next to the asset you would like to open a ticket for. So in this case, we'll do Server 1234, and then click the Request Support button. Now you're going to want to fill out the request support form. So first I'm going to type a summary, and then add a description with as much information as I can share. Next, you're going to choose an issue type, indicate a level of severity, and then enter the on-site contact information. And then click the Send Request button. Customers can see any tickets by clicking on the support cases in the left-hand navigation. The ticket will then be created in the team portal with a case status of open. Customers can also easily submit a case by emailing a predefined address in Owlytica. If you would like customers to be able to create a ticket by sending an email, you'll want to enable mailbox tracking. So to activate mailbox tracking, from the main menu, you're going to want to go to Settings, Account Setup, Help Desk Settings, and then from there, you're going to want to click the Mailbox Setting tab, and then you'll want to click the Enable Mailbox Tracking. When you're done, you just want to hit Save. So now customers can utilize this email address to create a new case. So to do that, they'll want to copy this address, and then go into their email account and create a new email message. So then they will paste the email they copied into the To field. They'll want to put an appropriate subject. When composing an email, the more information provided, the easier it will be to begin the work on the problem. You'll want to let your customer know the specific details needed to support the case, such as serial number, site location, and the asset that needs support. When they're done, they'll just want to hit the Send button. Cases initiated through this method will be in the draft status in the team portal upon creation. If the sender's email matches a contact in the company, that account will be linked to the created ticket. This ticket will need to be validated by a team portal member in order to move to open. This will help to check for things like spam or errors in the ticket before it is assigned. Once the status is changed to open, then the SLA clock will start. Once a ticket is set to active, the customer will be able to see the ticket in the customer portal under Support Tickets. If your support team is contacted by phone or in person, they can create a ticket on behalf of a customer. To create a ticket from the team's portal, click Services, Cases. In the top right-hand corner, click the Open New Case button, and then click Open Hardware Support Case. First, you're going to want to choose an appropriate company, and then select an asset. Next, you're going to give a brief summary, and then you'll want to provide a detailed description. Next, you're going to want to select issue type, and you'll want to assign someone to this case. Next, you're going to choose a severity level. And then under case of origin, you're going to indicate how the customer contacted you about this issue. And then you'll want to fill out the contact information of the person. Once the assignee starts working on the case, they will change this case status to open, and the SLA clock will begin. Customers are also able to see the case once it is opened under the customer portal. Owlytica's APIs can also be used to connect an existing ticketing system to Owlytica. To access the Owlytica API documentation, visit yourdomain/swagger. So in this particular example, Rocket is the name of our domain, but this would be changed out for your domain, and then .owlytica.com/swagger. This video has walked through the various ways you can open a ticket in Owlytica.